Good morning, students. I am Narazu, Maths faculty in Target High School at Tadapatri. So, already linear equation, two variables, different concepts are we discussed. Then here, what is a graph of linear equation in two variables? Graph of linear equation in two variables. Graph of linear equation in two variables. So observe students, this is the last concept of this chapter, graph of linear equation. So generally observe here, I draw x-axis and also y-axis. The intersection point is origin. By joining all, automatically one line is formed. That means what we conclude that the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. Okay, how to define? Okay, the line is obtained by joining the all points. By joining the all points which are solution of a linear equation. Which are solutions of a linear equation is called a graph of linear equation in two variables. I repeat, students. Okay, what the given linear equation first taken and take the solutions of a linear equation and plotting the points on a graph paper and join them, automatically one line is formed. Is it clear right now? Okay, like that the line is obtained by joining all the points which are solutions of given linear equation is called a graph of linear equation in two variables. Okay, let us take one problem, students, one example problem. So observe carefully. So problem 1, draw the graph of 2x plus y equal to 4, students. 2x plus y equal to 4. Okay, we draw a graph. Okay, there is no graph here. So consider as a blackboard as a graph. We draw here only. First of all, observe how to approach the solution. Solution given equation taken. Solution given equation. That is 2x plus y equal to 4. 2x plus y equal to 4. Okay. Yes. Next, table of solutions. So here consider x values. Okay. Plus 2x transfer right side becomes minus. First of all, in that equality symbol, left side y taken, right side x value along with one constant. That means here y equal to plus 2x transfer right side becomes minus. That is minus 2x plus 4 or 4 minus 2x also I don't know problem. This is the okay. What the given linear equation we have taken like these, students. Next one, table of solutions. Table of solutions. Table of solutions. Okay. So first one x, next y, x comma y, x comma y. Okay. Oh, right. Exact at middle 0 taken. Left side 2 or 3 values, minus 1 and also minus 2. Right side positive values 1 and also 2 taken. Enough. Okay. Next one. Observe. In that equation, x replace minus 2 substitute. Okay. Minus 2 into minus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Next. Minus 2 into minus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Next, x replace 0. Minus 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, nothing but 4. Next, minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 plus 4, nothing but. Minus 2 plus 4, nothing but 2 only. Next one, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, it becomes 0. Okay, here, what I did here, x values are considered. Then substitute in that equation, we can get y values. Then x comma y. Here x value minus 2, y value 8. Minus 2 comma 8. And again, minus 1 comma 6. and 0, 4, and again 1, 2. Next 2, 0, 2, 0. Like this table formation, students. Okay, so I take 6 points. Is it clear? Next one, draw a diagram, draw a graph. Okay, after table of solutions, observe carefully here, draw a diagram. OY, Y axis, here YX, X axis. So observe X values, negative values, maximum 2. So we are taken like this also. OX dash, and Y values maximum 8, students. Okay. Left side corner, top of the right side, scale on X axis, right? On X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, right? 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Next, on Y axis, 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Here, not comfortable in this board. Okay, observe carefully. Right side, on 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, and also 4. Left side, -1, -2, -3. Okay, and top of the Y axis and also bottom, here 1 centimeter to 2 units, and it means 2 increases. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, and again here also -2, -1. Better to take right side. It is look like beautiful, but right side also there, but it is a confusion started. Okay, here first one, -2, 8, -2 here X value 8. Take it like this. Next, -1, 6, -1 and also 6. 0, 4, X value 0, Y value 4. Next, 1, 2, X value 1, Y value 2. Next, 2, 0, like these students. Okay, take a scale, but not a hand. Take a scale, students, and join them. Here. Okay. Which is the equation? 2x plus y equal to 4. Like these students. Okay. How to draw a diagram? Carefully observe. First, to draw the graph of 2x plus y equal to 4. Next, right side. Give a solution, give an equation 2x plus y equal to 4. Next, plus 2x stands for right side. Then y equal to minus 2x plus 4. Next, table of solutions. Okay, x, y, x comma y taken. Here x values are considered. First exact and middle 0 taken. Right side 2 values or 3, 4, whatever it may be. And left side also negative values for 2 taken. Then these values substitute in this equation, we can get y values like this. Next, coordinates taken, we know very well already. -2 and also 8, -1, 6, 0, 4, 1, 2, 2, 0 like this. And plotting the points in this graph. First, while approaching a graph, first draw x-axis and also y-axis. Here, observe xo, x dash is represented x-axis. YO, Y dash represented y-axis. Okay. After completion of horizontally and also vertical lines, right side corner scale must and should express on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Right. Next one, and draw a number line, numbers on this line, and plotting the points and join the points, we can get a straight line like this, friends. Okay. This is one problem. Go for another one, students. Right. Observe, students, here. Next problem, very important in academic side. 25% of the students in a school are girls and others are boys. Form an equation and draw a graph for these. By observing graph, answer the following. Number 1. Find the number of boys if the number of girls is 25. Find the number of girls if the number of boys is 45. And take 3 different values for number of boys and girls. Okay, friends. First one, observe the solution. Solution given. First one, let me consider. So let be number of girls. Number of girls equal to, and also number of boys. Why I take a number of girls at first means here 25% of the students in a school are girls. So first one, number of girls equal to X and number of boys equal to Y. Okay, and total students, total number of students equal to total number of students means boys and girls, that is X plus Y. Okay, clear all of you? Right. Observe, students, here. According to the problem ATP, what they given? Number of girls equal to 25% of the total students. Okay, right. Number of girls equal to 25% of the students. 25% of the students. 25% of the students. Here a number of girls considered as X. So then that implies X equal to 25% of X plus Y. Total students are here X plus Y students. Okay, shall I clear this problem? Okay. Then X equal to 25%. If remove percentage symbol, we can express in the denominator 100. So 25% means 25 by 100 of X plus Y. Okay, 25 ones, 25 fours. Then here 4 is divisible. 4 into X, 4X. 4X equal to X plus Y. Plus X transfer right side becomes minus. So 4X minus X equal to Y. So finally Y equal to 3X. Y equal to 3X. This is the linear equation in 2 variable students. Okay. Observe the solution carefully. What they given, what we find out it is necessary. Identified. Better to develop the mathematics skills, applied skills especially. Okay. Right, observe here. We can get a linear equation 2 variables. After that, table of solutions. Okay. Table of solutions. First one, X, Y, X, Y. Here, don't take negative values along with 0. In a school, master should 1 students also necessary. So that's why I taken better to positive values. Okay, here observe. If X value is 10, 3, 10, 30, 20 taken, next 3 to 60, 30, 90, 40, 120. Okay, then 10, 30, 20, 60, and again 30, 90, and also 40, 120. Okay, and draw a diagram side. Only only positive values we are taking here. Here values are 30, 60, 90 and also 45 is there. Okay, we can take 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and also 120. Scale, right side corner, but body is not comfortable. I can express here only. So scale on x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. 1 centimeter equal to 10 units. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 20 units. 1 centimeter equal to 20 units. Okay, plotting the points 10 and 30. 10 and 30 like this here. Next, 20, 60. 20 and also 60. Next, 30, 90. 30 also 90. Next, 40 to 120. And join the points. Okay, students, this is the graph. By using scale, it is a straight line, but here curve is there. So observe carefully. Right. First one, number of boys equal to 25. Number of girls. So on x-axis we have taken girls. On y-axis we have taken boys. We find the number of boys. If girls is 25. If girls is 25 like this, then boys automatically or 70. Here 70 students. Okay, if boys are 25 here, then automatically girls is 25. 10.